Hi, it's Chris again for video 15 of Breakthrough Chinese Pronunciation from fluentinmandarin.com, the video series that helps you to perfect your Mandarin Chinese pronunciation. Here's a reminder of the color scheme that I'm using to code these different tones in Mandarin Chinese. In this video, we're going to be looking at the J and ZH or ZH sound in Pinyin. The ZH or ZH sound in Pinyin is pronounced in a similar way to the J sound in English, but it's not exactly the same. Your tongue will be touching the top of your mouth near the front, but it's a little bit further back than it would be for the J sound in English. The J sound in Pinyin is a sound that doesn't exist in English at all. In English, when you say a J sound, the tip of your tongue generally touches the top part of your mouth at the front. Whereas when you say the J sound in Pinyin, the tip of your tongue is resting in the middle of your mouth at the front, behind your teeth. It might not be touching your teeth, but it almost does. And the bit of the tongue behind the tip presses up against the top of your mouth at the front. This gives the sound more of a softer, less harsh sound than the J in English. So to put it simply, the key difference between the J sound in English and the J sound in Pinyin is in English your tongue is touching the top of your mouth, whereas in Pinyin your tongue is in the middle of your mouth pressed up against your back of your teeth. Okay, now you've got a rough idea. Let's try practicing some of the sounds with the J sound in Pinyin and then compare it to the pronunciation of the ZH or ZH sound.
机会
This means opportunity.
大家
This is a fourth tone, then a first tone. This means everybody.
结婚
If you remember, this IE sound is E plus E, and this word means to get married.
结婚 水饺
This word is pronounced with two third tones. So as always, the first syllable becomes a second tone, and this means dumplings. Try saying it again.
水饺 红酒
This means red wine.
看见
This means to see.
长江
This is pronounced with a second tone, then a first tone. It means the Yangtze River. And in Chinese, it literally means long river.
今天
This is pronounced with two first tones. It means today.
北京
This is the capital city of China. It's pronounced with a third tone, then a first tone.
橘子
Now, if you see a U sound after a J sound in Pinyin, the U is always pronounced U, not U. So it's more like the U in French. Try saying this word again.
橘子
Now, if we compare this to the U after the ZH or ZH sound in Pinyin,
柱子
the U here is always the first type of U that I talked about. U, not U. And you're pushing your lips forward and they're in a round shape. Try saying it again.
柱子
And just to get the difference between these two sounds and the two U sounds, let's try practicing these two syllables together so we can get the difference.
橘子橘子柱子柱子蜘蛛
This is two first tones, and this word means spider.
决定
This means to decide.
考卷
This means a test paper.
专家
This is two first tones, and this word means an expert or a specialist.
军队
This word means army.
准备准备
Okay, don't stop watching just yet because I've got something really special for you. The tones are a really important part of Chinese, so I've put together a 5-minute Chinese tones trainer, including an ebook and MP3 audio that will help you practice recognizing the tones in Mandarin, in words and in sentences, and you can get it absolutely free. Just click on the link on the screen right now or in the description below this video to sign up, then confirm your email address and I'll send the trainer out to you. Thanks for checking out this video and see you very soon.